What's up guys, today's video is on the top 5 best A-flat roller. Through extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options that will meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price, performance, or its particular use, we've got you covered. For more information on the products, I've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. Starting at number 5, we have the Perfect Fitness AB Carver Pro Roller. Perfect Fitness A-Flat Carver Pro is an inexpensive roller that has a patented and stylish design. There is numerous workouts equipment in the market for abdominal training. Most of them are constructed with a narrow wheel. But Perfect Fitness A-Flat Carver Pro is equipped with an ultra-wide wheel which reduces resistance and provides you enjoyable workout session. It has ergonomic handles to ensure the maximization of the workout session also. One of the essential features, it provides an excellent additional angle of difficulty. If you want to tense your muscles, you will get perfect stability during this type of carving workout. The Perfect Fitness A-Flat Carver Pro Roller is the excellent equipment for providing you a strenuous workout. The advanced technology of the roller assists to perform a complete upper body and core workout. It is designed with an internal kinetic engine that uses a super carbon spring, provides you while boosting up the load on abdominal muscles. Preventing the chance of slippage also has an external rubber grip. The grip is designed with a comfortable and non-slip material, which makes the machine suitable for a long-time workout. It can be said that who want to buy a great roller at a low price, the Perfect Fitness A-Flat Carver Pro may be an excellent choice for them. Moving on, at number 4, we have the VALEOAB roller wheel. The VALEOAB roller wheel is an inexpensive and durable ab wheel for people who want to try the ab wheel for the first time with a limited budget. It is equipped with 2 non-skid wheels that are very little but provide excellent stability. It will help you to build shoulders, arms and abdominal area. The hardened handle of the roller makes it durable, ensure to prevent the chance of slippage during workouts time with its notch design. It comes in red and black colors that make it gorgeous to look. The 2 non-slip wheels ensure excellent resistance when you move, which is a superb component for novices. They also allow you to perform your workouts in plaster, wood, or carpet surface. The handles of the product are too rigid, and there is no padding on the handles. So you may find it fairly uncomfortable, which can be a downside for beginner roller exerciser. This best ab roller wheel is simple and inexpensive equipment. Double wheels feature in this budget makes the product impressive for shoppers. It may be a perfect product for beginning level roller exerciser who wants to purchase a roller wheel for the first time. At number 3, we have the AB roller for abs workout. This best AB roller machine is equipment for rollouts, which provides you numerous advanced technologies. It helps you to build upper body strength, burn calories, and boost overall body endurance. It is constructed with durable materials that allow you to perform the extreme workout. The insider frame of this best ab wheel is made with sturdy stainless steel, which ensures a long-lasting lifetime of the A-flat roller. The outer side of the wheel is covered up well-quality non-slip rubber which prevents the chance of damaging of roll-out floor. The abs roller handles are made of agreeable EVA foam cushioning, guarantee security and comfort. The manufacturer company offers you a comfortable knee pad set. When you perform ab workouts for a long time, your knee may feel uncomfortable. And so, a set of knee support ensures your safety of knee and provides maximum comfort. One of the most beautiful features, the grips is very thin. That means you can grab it easily and feel ultimate comfort on your palm. Moreover, the roll-out equipment is lightweight and versatile, just as easy to use. Above all, it works superbly with regards to working out your intercostals and abs. At number 2, we have the SKLZ APDCW01, 02, Core, Wheels and AB Trainer. The SKLZ Core Wheels are mid-price ab wheels which allows you to perform a huge range of exercise. It also allows you to carry out both one-hand and two-hand exercises. This is an excellent feature for push-up, roll-outs, and all types of manners. The SKLZ Core Wheels are specially designed for those people who want to develop their core strength and abdominal stability. The manufacturer company provides 2 sets of ab wheels, one for each hand. The SKLZ core wheels not only offer resistance for ab rollout exercise but also allows you to more push-up. Both of them are with economic handles for ensuring more stability. The design also allows you to perform a curvy rollout exercise for providing resistance at your side core muscles. The performance of the product is not in doubt, and they are constructed with durable materials. They take shoppers' attention for the unique design. The manufacturer company provides you an instruction book which may be very useful for beginner-level exerciser. The wheels look like large rollerblade wheels, and they will work incredibly for hard surfaces and carport floors. They additionally skim brilliantly over a floor. And finally, at number 1, we have the CANSOONAB wheel fitness equipment. The CANSOONA flat wheel is one of the best products in the market because of its unique design. It comes off a 4-wheel system. They are designed as a triangular structure. The triangular structure allows you to ensure great stable rollouts and provides impressive rolling motion stability. The CANSOONA flat wheel can support up to 4,000 pounds of weight. The feature makes it one of the best AB rollers in the market. The product is constructed with durable materials. The frame has a sturdy stainless steel construction. For providing maximum comfort, handles have the durable yet ultra-soft rubber grip. It has a super fitness system for novice and also enables a wide variety of workouts with a difficult, challenging variation for the professional level. The manufacturer company offers a knee pad with this product, which is made by High Destiny Fitness Foam. One of the best features that it has a brake system that helps to prevent the machine from the wrong position or from moving out of the span. It is comprised of high-quality material, improving the sturdiness and reliability of the abdominal muscle machine. The CANSOONA flat fitness wheel works at carpeting and hard floors, and it takes into consideration a full scope of motion. Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time.